Good morning children. Now we will learn about phrasal verbs. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. Verb ante action word ani meeku telusu. Then what is phrase? Phrase ante enti? See here examples. Take off or look down on. Itlanti words ni manamu phrases antam. Ee phrases meaning chudandi. That combines a verb with a preposition. Verb with preposition. Or adverb or both. Preposition adverb or preposition and adverb kuda ee verb combine aithe danni manamu phrase antamu. That functions as a verb whose meaning is different from the combined meaning. Idi verb lagane function chestadi కానీ individual గా separate meaning untadi, combine cheste different meaning vastadi. Individual గా take ante separate meaning, take off ante different meaning, different meanings vastayi annamata. That functions as a verb whose meaning is different from the combined meaning of the individual verbs. A phrase that combines a verb with a preposition or adverb or both. Phrase అనేది verb ki verb తో combine అయి ఉంటుంది, preposition కి adverb కి combine అయి ఉంటుంది. అట్లనే అది ఎలా ఫంక్షన్ అవుతుంది? as a verb meaning will be different. Functions as a verb whose meaning is different from the combined meaning. Individual గా separate meaning ఉంటుంది, combine చేస్తే separate meaning ఉంటుంది. See here examples. Give up. Give అంటే to give. To give అంటే ఇవ్వడం. See, give up means to stop or quit. Next, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead అంటే to begin or to start. Next, ask for. Ask for అంటే ask అంటే అడగడం. Ask means question. See here, ask for means request. Next, carry on. Carry on means continue. ఇట్లా different meanings వస్తాయి. ఇండివిజువల్ గా verbs కి different meaning ఉంటుంది. ఈ phrasal verbs కి different meaning వస్తుంది. I think you understood. Children, here we'll do some exercises in phrasal verbs. I am telling some meanings for phrasal verbs. See, take out, to remove something from inside. Take out, to remove something from inside. Set up, to arrange for something to happen or to start. Set up, to arrange for something to happen or to start. Take off, to remove. Take off means to remove. Lie down, to take rest. Lie down, to take rest. Take out, to remove something from inside. Set up, to start or to arrange for something. Take off, to remove. Lie down, to take rest. Take time off, to take some time for something. Take time off, to take some time for something. Look into, to observe keenly. To observe keenly. Look at, to have a look at something. Look at, to have a look at something. Get up, to wake up. Get up means to wake up. Change into means to turn into. Change into, to turn into. To leave behind. To leave something as a token of memory or gift. Leave behind means to leave something as a token of memory or a gift. Children, now we will do this exercise in phrasal verbs from your textbook. Venkatrao was a rich man. He wanted to dash some business in the town. He wanted to start a business. Start means set up. He wanted to set up some business in the town. So he took out a lot of money. So he took out. Took out means meaning. So he took out a lot of money from the bank. On an auspicious day, he started his medical business, which prospered by leaps and bounds. He became so busy that he could not take time off for any rest. He used to get up very early in the morning and go to his office. In the afternoon, he would take off his shirt and lie down on his couch. Couch means sofa in the office. After a nap, he would put on his shirt. Then he would look into the mirror and look at himself admiringly. Anyhow, he left behind some fame in the town. Even when he went abroad, everybody believed that he had changed into a new man. This is the exercise.